So this is a Hydrangea macrophylla. We have two different types. We've got lacecaps and Mopheads, both pruned in exactly the same way. We're doing this in early spring when the new foliage is just starting to emerge. And we're doing it generally to refresh the bush and to promote a good flowering display, keep it in good shape. So one thing to be careful of when you're pruning, these buds are very easy to knock off, so just be careful where you put in your hands. As we begin pruning, we want to keep an eye out for dead, diseased and dying wood. This also includes frosted wood and can be seen on new wood such as this and old wood such as this. So when we start pruning, we want to favour this dark wood and we want to remove this older wood. This won't carry any flowers. This is your flowers. So you come down here until you get to the new wood, prune it off there. It's important to prune to something. If you were to prune halfway along, you encourage dieback. Just by pruning here, you eliminate that. So when you're pruning, you want to start by removing some of this older grey wood and favour this new, strong, dark wood here. So you can go quite hard with this. You can see here all the way down, there's nothing on this until we get pretty much to the base, about 6 inches from the bottom of the shrub. And now you can see we have this nice strong wood here. This bit here is frosted, so we'll remove this. So one thing to remember is that you have two choices. You can leave the terminal bud on the new wood, and this will give you one big flower, or you can prune it down to the two buds below, which will give you two smaller flowers. Another thing to remember is that you might have frost damage from this year's frost on the new wood, and if that's the case, you just want to prune down to the nearest set of healthy buds. While you're pruning, you will probably cut off all the dead heads anyway, but just in case, if there's any left at the end, just pop them off. So as you can see, the plant's now becoming a lot less congested, promoting this new growth and the growth at the base as well. So as you can see, we've now finished pruning our shrub. We've favoured the darker wood that will hold your flowers this year. And doing this on a regular basis will give you good flowers every summer.